For what value of A, the points whose position vectors are given to us are collinear. Okay, let us begin. First, what we'll do, we'll suppose that let there be 3 points that are collinear. Collinear means if we have a straight line, then on this line we are going to have 3 points, point A, point B, and point C. We are also going to consider another point, O. O is going to be the origin of some coordinate system. Now, with respect to this origin O, we can define the position vector of these 3 points, A, B, and C. All you have to do is join O and A with the help of a directed line segment. Similarly, we can join OB and OC. So let us suppose that the position vector of point A, which will be defined as OA vector, let's say this is represented by 10i cap plus 3j cap. Then we have position vector of point B. So we have OB vector. This is going to be represented by the vector 12i cap minus 5j cap. And then we have the position vector of point C given by OC vector. Let's say it's defined by ai cap plus 11j cap. Now it's already given to us that the 3 points are collinear, since A, B, C are collinear, we can say that AB vector will be equals to some scalar times BC vector, where lambda is some scalar. This is a definition for 3 points to be collinear. Now we'll need to find out AB vector. So let's label this as number 1. We'll come back to 1 in a moment. Now, AB vector is defined as OB vector minus OA vector. We already have OB vector. The OB vector is 12i cap minus 5j cap. And from here, we're going to subtract OA vector, which is 10i cap plus 3j cap. That is going to be equals to, so 12i cap minus 10i cap, that's 2i cap. Negative 5j cap minus 3j cap is going to be 8j cap. Fine. And we can also define the vector BC. So BC vector is going to be OC vector minus OB vector. So that's given by, so what is OC vector? We have ai cap plus 11j cap. So from here, we're subtracting OB vector. So that's 12i cap minus 5j cap. So this will be equals to A minus 12 I cap plus 11 minus of negative 5j cap. So that means we have 16j cap. Now we can use the value of AB vector and BC vector. So equation number 1 will be, so we have 2i cap minus 8j cap. That will be equals to lambda times A minus 12 I cap plus 16 lambda j cap. So we can rewrite the terms. So we have 2 minus A times lambda plus 12 lambda. So this will be multiplied to I cap, and on the then we have a negative 8 minus 16 lambda j cap equals to the null vector 0. So here we have to be very careful here. This is going to be a null vector because on the left hand side we are operating with vectors. That means we're taking the difference of 2 vectors. So that means on the right hand side also we must get a vector. However, we know for a fact that I cap and j cap are non-collinear vectors. Non-collinear vectors. So if they are non-collinear vectors, that would mean that 2 minus A lambda plus 12 lambda, this must be equals to 0. And also negative of 8 minus 16 lambda, so that must be equals to 0 as well. So actually this is 8 plus 16 lambda. This must be equals to 0 as well. So when we solve this, we're going to get lambda equals to negative 1/2. We're going to use this value to find A. So we have 2 minus A multiplied to negative half plus 12 times negative half equals to 0. That gives us 2 plus A over 2 minus 6 equals to 0. Now we have A over 2 equals to 4. So A value comes out to be equals to 8. So we have obtained the final value. So that means the value of A is going to be 8, such that the 3 points with the position vectors as given here are going to be collinear.